Ka high level committee kalarai khadu ban pinkan ria no ya ki laispa saupo artli kilong yeng jong ka harijan colony sha ka quarter ka bladan lupa jong ka Shillong municipal board da ka basnai ki yeng ki batmai haba pintep ya kani usembut menteri rang ba ka jala bat u chairman jong ka HLC uba prostun tunsong ulo ong ba ka tanat penroisor kelawan ra ya baro ki jingtep badan kam bat kila ai ya ka rai ka khadu halor kani katkum ka jingsngau jong uba tunsong halor ka kaipot bat ki jingtep bala badan kam bala ai da katanat penroisor ka penpau bala ban ai jaka baro ya baro laispa sopo artli kilong yeng ha kane ka jaka bat katanat kala batha ban ai pat ya ka jingtep halor ka bailut bicep na ka benta ban shna ya ki yeng ki bala don lupa ki badan kam ban pen baha bat marmat ula pentep ru basyan en sa penlong ya ka jingelang bat ka harijan panchayat committee.
As I said, because they'll bring up not less than 12 blocks of this building. 12 blocks means, each building will have maybe 30, 40 flats, units, like that. So let us wait till they completed the DPR, the detailed project report. Then only I'll be able to